Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of I Was Forced to Love My Stepmother, a movie queen in a love show. Chapter 21, so here it is. Let's read the story. I went to your room but I didn't see you. Tangye was there and he actually said he wanted to be my agent. No, he should be already my agent. You the one who pulled the string. Right now, Tangye and Suman was talking. As soon as you called me, I rushed back from abroad and helped you handle the matter beautifully. How will you repay me? Now, Tangye, it's getting tricky to Suman. Well, it seems that the two of them are really close to each other. That's why right now she can demand on her. I've given you so many resources, but they're already not enough. Now, Suman, she looks pretty surprised. I didn't realize when I was in college that you like lion's mouth so much. Now, Suman, she looks really serious. On the other hand, I also didn't realize that our Queen Su is still such a dull and infatuated person. Oh, now she's getting teased by Tangi. Well, it seems that the two of them are really close to each other. He deliberately brought me back from abroad and said a lot of nice things about that little girl in front of me without telling anyone. Tangye, now she's teasing Suman. Can you really catch someone like this? Now she's getting serious. The two of them, the two of them are talking about Rantau. And Suman, she indeed a good young lady and she can make a name for herself without me. Reducing it to you is just a win-win situation. Now Suman, she is denying to herself she really want to help Rantau, even though she pulled the string for her. Okay, whatever Queen Su say, whatever she say, I see through everything. Tangye, she seems to be funny. Take a look. At this purse, I flew more than 10 hours. Now Tangye, she's speaking to Suman, almost exhausted from looking at your little Tausi resume and making plans. Now, looking at her, Tangye, she write a detailed plan for her. A plan to maximize Rantau's ability to be able to cough up so much things about her future. But right now, hearing this, Suman, she is scanning it. Participating in a lab variety show. How many romance dramas are you planning to let her participate in? Now, looking at her, she really gets jealous. Well, it seems that she really is. Love Diary successfully aired will bring her a lot of popularity. Her plan is being fast, going to let her take on a few variety shows to show off her face. Now, Tangye, you feel omnibus right now. The variety shows are the best. What's wrong with striking while iron is hot? Now, she gradually quieter. Suman, looking at her, she looks really jealous. Feeling of oppressions behind the beach movie. Change your words immediately. Don't worry, I didn't plan to let her debut. Just to promote the CP, she was just going to be an observation guest. Besides, you're responsible for half of Rantau's current popularity. Of course, the next step to accumulate popularity on your own. It's rare to see someone fall in love with you in one day. Now, looking at it, Angie, she looks really worried. Well, probably, she knows Suman. She knows that Suman's really cared for Rantau. Right now, Suman, she looks really serious, willing to let her take advantage of that heat. Can you control her? Care about it. How care about Miss Su? Tangi, now, is being considerate and Suman's demands on her. By the way, the movie you filmed last year will be released soon, and the promotional activities. Now, Tangi, she is informing Suman. But suddenly, they got interrupted. Someone's knocking on the door. Tangi said, "Who is it?" Now, it was so late. Two of them are getting curious, and who is the first behind that door? Turns out, when Suman, she opened the door, she looks really surprised. This girl again. Now, she want to be close to Suman. Well, right? Girl said, "Teacher Su, sorry to bother you so late." Teacher Suman said, "What's up? Why suddenly this girl comes to her?" The girl slipped off her hair. You know that Miss Su, You may be very busy and not have time to read last script, so I specially brought a printed version. Oh, this girl. It seems that she was really a tricky person, and she wanted to be closer to Teacher Sue. Teacher Sue, can I come in and sit down? Now, this girl, she wanted to take advantage, want to chit chat. Teacher Sue man. Teacher Sue said, okay, I will accept the script. But it turns out, Teacher Sue man, she don't want to get closer with this girl. If it's okay, I'm going to rest. Now, she looks really serious. And this girl, she knows that she was really tricky. Teacher Sue, I'm very well behaved. And I also admire and like you very much. Well, that was tough. At least this girl, she was really fierce about her feelings. Don't mean anything else. Just hope you can know me. Oh, she really knows how to act. Well, a best actress, right? It was really funny. Girl said, I won't disturb you. Have a rest. Good night. Finally, this girl. She was rushing to go away from Teacher Sue. Suman, she was looking at her. Probably she understands that this girl only wants to be closer to her, make connections to her. Oops, Queen is so blessed with the girls. Well, Tangye, she know how to joke. But right now, Suman said to her, here, see it for yourself. Now, it turns out, it was the script. Well, it properly marked. Annotations are very detailed, a very serious girl. Just that my mind is not in the right place. This night, see Mashaw's heart. Oh, it was really fun. I really did write a letter to Suman. That script. Maybe he has his small thoughts, but he is not treacherous. Besides, I don't like her type. Oh, that was tough. Suman, she really rejected her. Oh, then, if that's the type you like, knocking on your door in the middle of the night, you won't let them either. Now she get this by Tangi. For Suman right now, she was thinking to the only girl. Teacher Sue, can I come in? Now she is portraying the picture and image of Rantau with a night dress and looking closer to her. The pictures are really emerged, and this is in her vision. Well, Teacher Sue, did you really imagine Rantau in that dress? Now, Tangye, you want to provoke her, tease her so much. Yo, it's so rare that Master Michi still looks like this. Now, Suman, she really looks serious. I really can't wait to see you fall in love. Oh, this is great. Let's see this. Let's hope Suman, she can really express her feeling towards Rantau. At the moment, you can really enjoy the slow phase of the manhwa. Hey guys, thank you for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And do comments and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Bye!